A lot of excitement, a lot of promise in Harry Kane and Marcus Rashford. And just have a look at this. This
allows someone to run off him and score a goal at the other end. It's just that you don't know what...
Every second watching their body language, every movement. Robbie, if you're in the Spurs camp, are you worried?
This is a huge game. If I'm Tottenham's front four.
Amy Redknapp's alongside our match commentators Gary Neville and Martin Tyler.
Well, thanks, David. High strain. Further forward, of course, a preference for the pace and mobility. Well, the backstory today against a very competitive caretaker. It's Spurs against United, and it's live. Well, midfield, Gary, a key area for you today?
Yeah, absolutely. I think when you play against Tottenham, you have to close off the United's Paul Pogba. Harry Winks, I'm sure that if Paul Pogba makes those runs that he's been doing in the last couple of weeks.
United have been in Dubai, warm weather, and seemingly much more. The case of sunbathing, there was a lot of serious... 5 wins out of 5. For the new regime. Recommending when there was a change who the United family. It's Manchester City, of course, in his own playing days, and tries to bend that towards Kane. He wasn't too far away from him.
It was dangerous. He holds his hand up. I'm not sure why he is. Pogba left, Lingard running through, and Matic sitting.
Lingard. That's a fatherly viewpoint, maybe. For them in London. Favour out of fitness for most of the season, and it doesn't look as though he impressed enough. It's too strong. Pogba seemed to be tackling from the wrong side of Harry Kane, but he got away with it. Short. Now gets... Harry Winks has continued his run. Son trying to slip it through. He has slipped it through. Let's come again with Trippier. Just rolled across
over the place, and then you get the second phase. The little reverse pass is wonderful, getting behind Phil Jones.
From the home team. He's hit high wide and not very handsome by Winks. Taken by Herrera, in by Young. Lingard, who's got such a good scoring record in this stadium, went for real power and was in the end off target.
That's the one thing you would say in this first 2 or 3 weeks under the stewardship of Ole Gunnar Solskjaer. Bodies in the box, 4
gone into the box. Eriksson taken on by Rashford and Winks. Son teeing up Trippier for the cross. Tottenham trying to get this over his head. Looks again for Lingard.
15 minutes. You've seen players running in behind, passes in behind. Another one there. Yeah, definitely. Always in.
Flags up. Spell out when he came back, he got sent off against Arsenal. Yeah. Martial still going. He's blocking it.
Manchester United.
Play on. There was a foul by Herrera. Vertonghen. Looking for Trippier.
Nature set up very differently.
Kane on for Son. Ali, almost wrong shot. Ali. Sissoko again. Taken on by Dele Alli again. Eriksson's... But thinks better of it. Martial does. Can't keep it down. Rashford trying to pin United in against the touchline, but they've wriggled free. Pogba still from Jones. Spurs try again. Son on the edge of the area. Back for Herrera. Kane trying to get in front here. Ali coming round the back. Kane gets a touch, flags up. No goal.
Well, he put a cross in earlier on in the game. Kieran Trippier, that have no one on the end of it.
Nothing to the left of Ericsson at the moment. Into Ali. Bit of a staggered movement by Pogba. Martial arriving quick. For Winks again. Has another go and hasn't quite. They've got Harry Kane. Ali. De Gea, here's Martial. Into Pogba. Winks with the press the individual on the ball. And Ericsson gets it away, but a brave attempt, but a vain one. Slide it through for Kane. Lingard. Pogba. It's a threatening ball to Rashford. And Rashford fires it across Lloris and into the net and sends Manchester United into the lead. Late in the first half. Typical of the quick counter-attacks that they've been looking to produce. And this one has hit the bullseye.
Absolutely devastating for Manchester United. Pogba's pass is world-class. And it's Trippier's one that gives it away, but Lingard alive in transition. Manchester United, this is what's been happening since the start of the game. Those two centre-backs isolated by split strikers. Ole Gunnar Solskjaer's tactics have just come alive and worked an absolute treat, and it's whether Rashford can finish. And this Spurs team, just by...
Well, they're on the attack again as the half-time whistle goes. Unerring finish, and Ole Gunnar Solskjaer sees his side.
Dangerous areas. Two fullbacks are going forward.
Time on the pitch and the work rate. By Kane to Son. Tries to have a crack. Here's Lingard. Martial. Movement in the transfer market. And they're in here. Great chance for Harry Kane to equalise early in the second half.
Oh, it was a wonderful move from Tottenham, really was. Cut United open, it was straight at De Gea, and he's good saving with his feet.
Ali, Lamella's in the middle, that's Watford. In by Trippier, and another good De Gea save from Ali's header. Looked as though it might be creeping in. De Gea had other ideas. Spurs finding their best football so far of the match. Ericsson, Ali's touch, looking for Lamela. Lindelof going towards the near post, it's just over him. He's got a good angle for the cross, he's a good crosser of the ball. And it was met by Pogba. Good contact and a decent stop by Lloris.
Yeah, he just didn't pick up on the...
But Winks has got a chance to play in here to Kane. No, but able to turn, wanting to shoot, wanting to chase on, and make it his maybe. And but for Lloris, Tottenham would have been in much more serious trouble.
United have come back on top again this last few minutes, and Pogba just getting into a hole and into a pocket, follows up on the shot. Just rampages through, really. He makes a good...
Taken by young Lloris.
Box to another quickly. All these players can run. Along with the...
By Spurs, as that caught United out. Very nearly did. Kane, having got there again, will be disappointed he couldn't force it past De Gea.
Well, he'll feel as though he should have 2 goals in this second half. It's a wonderful delivery from Chris...
Ericsson. Coolly done by Lindelof. Foul. Son. Only won't quite get him. Not so successful in the first half. The pass is a better option.
Eric Lamela.
Lamela coming in behind Kane.
Oh, what are you doing? It looked like to me he shirked it a little bit. I'm not sure what...
Behind him, he's looking for other angles. Even the Pogba! Great stop by Lloris. Pogba had a bit of power and plenty of placement.
It was a big chance. Trippier and Martial doing it.
Kane, great work from him for Spurs. Eriksen, long way out. A little bit over-ambitious. Does get plenty of goals from long range.
Yeah, it's not for me to question his decision-making.
Maybe hit them on the break here with Dele Alli. Can he go all the way here? Tottenham in for an equaliser, but David De Gea stays big again.
Well, you said it, Mark.